Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something different, very different. We normally don't do this. The guys are over there watching me eat, or they're eating while watching me do this YouTube. Look at this thing. What a beast. I don't even know what this is, but it's big, it's jacked up, big wheels, big lift, big mud. I cannot wait to pressure wash this, and I've always wanted to pressure wash inside of something. Like you see those crazy people doing at the car wash. I'm gonna do it to this thing with the owner's permission. He says it's fine. What's back here? Just dirt everywhere. But look how muddy this is. Dirt everywhere. We're gonna get under there too. We're about to make a huge mess in the parking lot. Let's get to it. So what we're doing now, we just foamed it with turbo wash, Bloomco turbo wash. We're gonna let that sit on there. Hopefully it'll lift up some more dirt so we can do another rinse, and then we're gonna bring it in and actually wash it. Heavy rinse is complete. Now the fun part is going to be moving this because I just soaked everything without getting my ass all wet. I'm going to move that inside. I think we're just going to let the inside dry out, but we're just going to detail it without hosing everything down because I made a bigger mess than I wanted to. I think I made more work for myself. I don't like getting dirty, so I found a seat cover. Everything's drenched in here. Hopefully this thing starts. If it doesn't, I'm blaming my buddy. Let's go. We got the beast in here. Andy's gonna start doing the wheels and tires. He's got his work cut out for him. That didn't even pressure wash off. I tried.
No, I know. I just used my finger.
Well, a finger's not gonna do anything. You're gonna have to use that stiff brush. Well,
oh, it does come out with this. Yeah.
Here we go. We got our Bloomco hot purple. We're gonna use that under the hood here. I was pressure washing for time and I still missed. So this is why we're detailing it. We're gonna use a brush to go along with this. We're gonna do under the hood first.
I don't know what you're using.
What are you asking?
Bodie's gloss. What do you use that for?
That's what's inside the bead maker. Greaser. There's a little 4-liter you can throw in there if you want.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna foam it as well and get our brush.
It's covered in dirt.
Andy's putting his heart and soul into these tires,
Put
man.
my hand in it.
Oh, that was in the tire or in
That
your
was
butt?
my butt. Oh, you beat me to it.
We just got.
Oh, look,
we're getting flagged.
Yeah. I've been cleaning everything.
That's good. Don't you always clean everything?
Well, this one's Jordan, so I can skip a bit.
Well, we just finished doing a heavy wash. The boys got the wheels and tires cleaned up. Now we foamed it again. Doing all the nooks and crannies with a brush. And then hopefully that should be it. There's definitely going to be mud and dirt still somewhere, but this is probably going to go out in the mud the second we're done with this thing. Heavy wash completed. Probably missed a few things. So we're gonna pull it outside right now and double check it. I'm glad that thing still starts up. Andy's gonna figure out how to move this thing out. H. Go. Andy's first time driving one of these suckers.
Is there an e-brake?
Nope. Give her beans, buddy. Watch that door. Shoo! Look at that. How was your first driving experience?
That
10
was
feet.
sick.
That was fun, eh?
That was actually not fun. What does H stand for?
High gear.
Then L.
Well,
Loser, Liam.
Loser Liam
Oh,
gear.
thank
Yeah,
you. Yeah,
that's
thanks.
the Liam gear.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let this dry, and we're gonna continue this tomorrow. Giving it another rinse. Still lots of dirt. We thought the coast was clear, and we are not even close. The worst part about this, look at this mess. Really hoping it rains tonight. It's gonna rain. I hope it rains.
Is he getting rid of all
We
of
need
it?
yeah, we have a mess.
100% chance tomorrow.
Let's go.
Oh, it's gonna be easy.
All right, we're back. It's the day after. We got all our stuff done, and now we're working on this toy again. There's some noise in the background. It's all good.
I think this could be easier than the outside.
Oh, definitely.
This doesn't look bad. Let's test the spot. You ready? Oh yeah. It's easy. Not normal, dude.
This is like 2 weeks later.
No, it's not.
We dropped the ball on filming us clean this, so it looks like, I don't even know what I'm saying right now.
Yo, we're not used to doing YouTube content anymore. We're kind of tired from working all the time. So if you guys,
So pretty much, we forgot to record us cleaning the inside because we
people
were busy and the shop got busy, so we kind of just picked at it as we went.
and it's kind of hard to talk when there's a lot of people.
So Andy's gonna pull this thing outside and we're gonna show it off.
I am.
Yep.
Is there keys in here?
We washed this thing, what, 4 times?
I'd say yeah, 4 times.
Four
the
times.
inside, what?
Twice?
3 times.
Why did you go in that way?
That would be
So
cool
you can
for
put
the
your
video.
freaking footprints in it. Look what you did already.
What?
Okay, guy. You didn't put a mat in there either?
For what, dude? Hey.
Hey, everyone. Now, it's not perfect. It still has got dirt on the edges, in the crevices. There's still some. 4 times we washed it. It's still dirty, but it's clean enough to get into it and enjoy it and not be covered in mud when you're sitting on it. And this is just a project I wanted to see if I could do it. I'm probably never gonna do this again, but shout out to Jordan for letting us try it. Look at the difference. This looks fresh. Oh, that looks so good. So good. You got the seatbelt on? All right, Jordan. I don't know if you're gonna approve of this, but Andy, you should just try like a little pull.
Okay, deal.
Don't fully turn. Not all the way, not all the way. You're about to smoke the fender. This thing's got a broken axle. goofball over here. Yo, leave it right there.
See the cleanliness?
How's the inside? Oh man, we missed that spot. We're gonna touch that up right there.
Where?
Behind us, right here on the steering wheel. That's just from Andy sneezing.
Yeah, it's nice.
How's the inside?
Looks good. It looks
Pretty fresh.
How you wipe this?
Yeah.
This is great.
Cool. Looks sick.
The door even closes better.
I think we shedded like 200 pounds of dirt off of this thing. Oh, you got this guy over here. What do you got?
Got me a Harley Fat Boy.
Harley Fat Boy. You're a fat boy.
Yeah, 2006, I know.
What'd you do to it?
Did a 3-hole oil change service and fixed up.
Oh man, so many dirty jokes I can make.
I know. And fixed up some like loose fasteners that vibrated loose with some Harley glue. And yeah, man. Just
Sweet.
kinda fixed up some stuff. Yeah, it's a nice bike though.
That's gonna be the end of this video.
Say it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give a thumbs down because we really don't care.
That guy butchered.
Did I?
Completely butchered. So
Did he?
Andy is gonna redo it.
Not.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care. I said the same thing. No, you didn't.
I swear you
Peace.
said the same thing.
Go.
Hold on.
Go right now.
If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down.
You already messed it up
'Cause-
again.
What do you mean?
Oh my god.
You said the
No, I
same
didn't. No, I
thing.
didn't. I said.
Oh my God.
If you like this video,
Hey.
give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like
This
this
is why
video,
we
give it a
hired
thumbs
him.
down.
Okay.
The government gives us
Yeah,
money
money.
to hire this guy.
If you like this video,
Wrong.
You play hard. You play hard. No, you can't slow down. You just fucking. One of us is gonna end up with dirt in their face.
You gotta do it again.
come professional. Want to come do it again? Now,
I trust you. Put it directly at me, bro. And you'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get
Stand
it.
right in front.
Stand right in front. I don't trust myself. You're gonna get mud. I'm not doing that. Be a bro, man. You love me. Yeah, let me back it up. No, I want it. Don't hit me. You're gonna get covered. If you hit me, bro, I want you to be mad. It's for the content. You're gonna get fucking covered. Don't swear it's on YouTube. Always swear.
I didn't want him knowing we were recording.
Alright. Fuck your face at me.
This guy's covering his nose.
It's okay.
Hey man,
It's
when you
alright.
drop it, you gotta eat it.
I did it once, I'm not doing it again. Good enough, man.
Just use your mouth. Use your mouth, man.
oh yeah.
Hey, now Dad's gonna be like, don't bring those shoes in my house.
There. What are we thinking
Hey
about?
Dad, when you're watching this.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna make sure I put them on your nice blue rugs.